Hello guys, welcome to Magic Bee. Today we're going to draw a skyscraper as well as we're going to learn about it. If you are ready, let's get started. A skyscraper is a very tall building with many stories. Early skyscrapers had 10 to 20 stories. But today, some skyscrapers have more than 100 stories. So, which is the tallest skyscraper in the world? Number 1. Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai, UAE. This building has 162 stories. Number 2. The Shanghai Tower, located in China. This building has 127 floors with 5 additional floors below the ground. Now let's learn about how man-made skyscrapers are created. Two developments in the middle of the 1980s helped to make the modern skyscraper possible. The first was a process for making large amounts of steel. The second was the invention of passenger elevator. In the 1860s, steel became widely available. This metal is both stronger and lighter than iron. Architects could now use a steel skeleton to support very tall buildings. Chicago's Home Insurance Company building was the first skyscraper. It was 10 stories high. Hong Kong has more skyscrapers than any other city in the world. Do you feel it's interesting? Please share and subscribe. Also check out my other videos. See you in next video. Magic Bee.